jalapeno Diablo chicken thighs. Now this is shredded up jalapeno in a blender with some rice wine, seasoned rice wine vinegar. This is bullseye barbecue sauce. We don't want a lot. Half the bottle. It's just going to add a little sweetness. A little stir. And end with the chicken thighs. Actually, we're going to put them down. These are going to be unbelievable. 2 nights ago, I was talking this recipe with somebody, and they're like, wow. I was like, yep. And luckily for me, chicken thighs were on sale this week. 99 cents a pound at ShopRite. I'll make sure they're all covered. One more. Flatten them down. Oh, good to go. Wow. Can't wait to come home. All right, sealed, pressure cook, and start. And we're ready to rock and roll. Can you see the timer? Yeah, I put it at 40.